Hello everyone, I am your maths teacher Lakhan sir from Science Academy, Dow. Student, in today's lecture we are going to start mathematics part first, second chapter, that is quadratic equation. So algebra चा आपण second chapter start करणार, that is quadratic equation. So first of all, we all know what is quadratic polynomial. In the last year, we had already discussed about polynomials. So polynomials means what? What is polynomial? So polynomial means in an algebraic expression, the power of every variable is whole number, then it is called as a polynomial. In an algebraic expression, the power or index of each term containing variable is a whole number, then it is called as a polynomial. For example, x plus 5 is equals to 0. So in the given polynomial, sorry, x plus 5, so in the given polynomial, x is the only one variable having its power or index is 1. So 1 is a whole number. That's why x plus 5 is a polynomial, but it is a type of linear polynomial. First of all, how to decide given polynomial, given expression is a polynomial on its degree. If power or index of the given variable is a whole number, then it is a polynomial. So now types of polynomial. So types of polynomial are further classified into two types. First one, based on number of terms. Based on number of terms, and second classification is on based on degree. So based on number of terms, there are three types, that is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial, binomial and trinomial. But based on degree, there are three types. First one is linear polynomial, second one is quadratic polynomial, and third one is cubic polynomial. This is the classification of polynomials. So polynomials are classified into two types, that is based on number of terms and based on degree. So based on number of terms, there are three types, that is monomial, binomial and trinomial. So monomial means what? Contains only one term. An expression which contains only one term, then it is called as a monomial. Binomial means what? Expression contains two terms, then it is called binomial. Trinomial means expression contains three terms. Now based on degree, there are three types: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. So first of all, tell me how to define the degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial is decided on the maximum power or index of the given expression. For example, x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. In the given expression, the maximum power of a variable, so given expression is in the form of x. Why? Because in the given expression, x is the only one variable and its maximum power or index is 3. So the degree of the given expression is 3. So based on degree, there are three types, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. In the first chapter, that is linear equation in two variable, we have seen what is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means having degree 1. Degree 1 means in the given polynomial, maximum power or index of the variable is 1. Therefore, it is known as a linear polynomial. Now, we have to see quadratic equation. Before seeing quadratic equation, we should know what is quadratic polynomial. So, quadratic polynomial means what? Having polynomial having degree 2. Polynomial having degree 2 is called as a quadratic polynomial. For example, x square plus 7x minus 9. So in the given expression, x is the only one variable and maximum power or the index of the variable is 2. So here power of x is 2, here power of x is 1, and here power of 9 is 0. Here variable is not present, but by default its power is 0. So the given expression having maximum power 2, therefore it is known as a quadratic polynomial, and when this quadratic polynomial equals to 0, then we get quadratic equation. Why? Because we know what is equation. Equation means what? An algebraic expression contains equality sign, then it is called as a quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? A polynomial or quadratic polynomial equals to 0, then it is called as a quadratic equation. So how to define? Now question is how to decide the given polynomial or the given equation is a quadratic equation. So for that there are two conditions. First one is, in the given equation, now we talk about quadratic equation. So quadratic equation means what? A polynomial contains equals to sign, or quadratic polynomial contains equality sign, then it is called as a quadratic equation. So for deciding the given equation is a quadratic equation, for that there are two conditions. First one, use only one variable, because we talk about quadratic equation in one variable, not two variables. So given equation contains only one variable. Okay, this one is the first condition. Use any one variable from A to Z. So here x is the only one variable, and second condition, maximum power or index, power लाच आपण इंडेक्स म्हणतो, मॅक्झिमम पॉवर और इंडेक्स इज 2. म्हणजे जो तुम्ही व्हेरिएबल यूज करणार आहात इक्वेशन मध्ये, त्या व्हेरिएबलची मॅक्झिमम पॉवर किंवा इंडेक्स किती हवी आपल्याला? 2. देन द गिवन इक्वेशन इज अ quadratic equation. This is all about quadratic equation. Now we are going to see what is standard form of quadratic equation, or it is also known as general form, because from standard form we are making infinite number of examples of quadratic equations. So the standard form of quadratic equation is, second point is standard form of quadratic equation. So standard form of equation is, in the last example we have seen how to decide quadratic equation. For that there are two conditions. First one is use only one variable, and second one, maximum power or index is 2. So now the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus px plus c is equals to 0. So here in the given equation, why it is equation? Because it contains equal to sign, therefore it is known as a equation. Now it is a quadratic equation or not? So here in the given equation, x is the only one variable and its maximum power is 2, therefore it is a standard form of quadratic equation, where most important condition is a, b, c all are belongs to real number. So what is real number? Real numbers includes all numbers, that is every number is a real number, that is all rational and irrational numbers are real number. So a, b, c belongs to real number, that means a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So a, b, c all are belongs to real number, and most importantly a is not equals to 0. Here a is not equals to 0, that means b and c both are equals to 0. म्हणजे 0 झाली तरी काय हरकत नाही, but a is not equals to 0. Why a is not equals to 0? Suppose here the value of a becomes 0. If value of a becomes 0, that means the first term becomes 0. That means we see that is only bx plus c is equals to 0. So here for the given equation maximum power is 1. That means if any equation having maximum power is 1, then it is called as a linear equation. We have to see or discuss about quadratic equation. That's why for quadratic equation, the most important condition is a is not equals to 0. That means म्हणजे जर a ची व्हॅल्यू 0 झाली तर ह्या दिलेल्या इक्वेशनची मॅक्झिमम पॉवर ही 1 होईल आणि मॅक्झिमम पॉवर 1 झाली तर आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो लिनियर इक्वेशन. सो the standard form of quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. हे फार महत्वाचं आहे. इक्वल्स टू 0 नाही लिहिलं देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल. आणि आपण आता क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन बद्दल बोलत आहोत. देअरफॉर where a b c all are belongs to real number means all rational numbers and irrational numbers are real numbers, and most importantly a is not equals to 0. This is standard form of quadratic equation. Now check whether we see some examples to check whether the given equations are linear equations, quadratic equations or not. So the first example is 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic equation or not. How to decide? Okay, first check whether given equation is a quadratic equation or not. So the first example is 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. आता आपल्याला डिसाइड करायचंय whether the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Okay. आता how to decide? सांगितल्याप्रमाणे quadratic equation आहे का नाही हे डिसाइड करण्यासाठी फक्त दोनच कंडिशन आहेत. फर्स्ट कंडिशन इज use only one variable. So here in the given equation x is the only one variable. Okay, so first condition is satisfied. Now the second condition is conditions for quadratic equation. First condition is use only one variable, because we talk about quadratic equation in one variable. And second most condition is maximum power. Power is also called as index. So maximum power is 2. If both the conditions are satisfied, then the given equation is a quadratic equation. So for the given equation x is the only one variable, and for the variable the maximum power is 2. That's why the given equation is a quadratic equation. So how to write answer? In the given equation three x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. X is the only one variable and its maximum power is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now example number second is 9y square plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. Now decide this equation is a quadratic equation or not. For deciding quadratic equation, there are two conditions. First one is use only one variable. So in the given equation, which one is the variable? Y is the only one variable and its maximum power is 2. So both the conditions are satisfied. That's why the given equation is a quadratic equation. So write down in the equation nine y square plus 5 is equals to 0. Y is the only one variable and 2 is the maximum power, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now example number 3 is 3m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equals to 0. Here also we have to check out the given equation is a quadratic or not. Okay, so the first condition is use only one variable. So in the given equation, m is the only one variable and maximum power of the variable, that is m, is 3. Here maximum power is 3, but for quadratic equation maximum power is 2. Here the maximum power is 3. That's why the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, in the equation 3m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equals to 0. M is the only one variable, but its maximum power is not 2, it is 3. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay. So up to we see two most important points. First of all, what is quadratic equation and its standard form of quadratic equation, and second one, how to decide whether the given equation is a quadratic or not. Now we are comparing the difference between linear equation in two variable and the quadratic equation in one variable. Then we easily understand what is linear equation in two variable and what is quadratic equation in one variable. Now, what is the difference between linear equation in two variable and what is quadratic equation? Okay, we all know what is linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable means here is a linear equation and here is a quadratic equation. Both are the type of a polynomial which are based on degree. Okay, so linear equation in two variable means what? An equation contains two variables and degree of each term containing variable, degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called as linear equation in two variable. This is the definition of linear equation in two variable. So what is the definition? An equation contains two variables. That means for linear equation in two variable, an equation contains two variables. Number of variables किती use करायचे आपल्याला? 2, and most importantly degree of each term containing variable is 1. म्हणजे इक्वेशन मध्ये तुम्ही जे दोन व्हेरिएबल यूज करणार आहात त्या दोनही व्हेरिएबलची डिग्री ही कंपल्सरी किती असेल तुमची? 1. Then it is called as a linear equation in two variable. For example, twice x plus 3y is equals to 5. So in the given equation, why it is called as equation? Because it contains equality sign, therefore it is called as a equation. Contains two variables, x and y are the two variables, and the second most condition is degree of each term containing variable is 1. So इथे number of terms किती दोन आहेत, so 2x and 3y. So here the power of variable or the degree of variable is 1 because the given variable having power or the maximum power is 1. Here also the power of y is 1. So degree of each term containing variable, ज्या दोन टर्म मध्ये व्हेरिएबल यूज केलाय त्या दोन्ही टर्म मध्ये पॉवर किती तुमची 1 or degree is 1. Therefore it is known as a linear equation in two variables. Then now we will see what is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means what? When quadratic polynomial equate to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. मला तुम्हाला असा प्रश्न पडला असेल, व्हॉट इज क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल? क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल मीन्स व्हॉट? A polynomial having degree 2 is called as a quadratic polynomial. म्हणजे असा पॉलिनॉमियल की त्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये मॅक्झिमम पॉवर किती असेल तुमची 2. Then it is called as a quadratic polynomial. And when quadratic polynomial equate to 0 म्हणजे for example m square plus 5m minus 9 is equals to 0. आता हा मी equals to 0 रिमूव्ह करतोय सुरुवातीला. Now it is a polynomial. Why? In the given polynomial m is the only one variable and its maximum power is 2. That's why it is known as a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means what? An expression having maximum power 2. इथे तुमची maximum power 2 आहे म्हणून त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल. अँड दिस पॉलिनॉमियल इक्वेट टू 0. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही त्याला इक्वल्स टू 0 लिहितात, नाव इट बिकम्स अ क्वाड्रॅटिक equation. So when quadratic polynomial equate to 0, then it is called as a quadratic equation. Now how to decide? Given equation is a linear equation in two variable and it is a quadratic equation. So for both there are some conditions. So for linear equation in two variable there are also three conditions. First condition is contains equality sign. Equality sign means equal to symbol. Second one, use two variables, use only two variables. And third one, degree of each variable is 1 or power of each variable is 1. Then the given equation is a linear equation in two variables. First condition is contains equality sign. Second one, use two variables, use any one. Degree of each variable is 1. That means maximum power of the variable is 1. Then the given equation is a linear equation in two variables. And for quadratic equation there are also three conditions. Condition number first is contains equality sign, because without equal to sign it becomes a quadratic polynomial. Second one, here we have to use only one variable because we talk about quadratic equation, but in one variable, that's why we are using only one variable. Third one, maximum power of variable is 2. So these are the conditions for quadratic equation and these are the conditions for the linear equation in two variables. Now what is standard form of linear equation in two variable and what is standard form of quadratic equation? As of conditions सांगितल्याप्रमाणे जशा कंडिशन आहे तसं तुमचा स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म असेल. सो स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म for linear equation in two variables. Okay, first one contains equality sign. Okay, contains equality sign. Second one, use two variables. Here we are using two variables. So we are using two variable, that is ax plus by plus c. Here x and y are the two variables and degree of each variable is 1. So here power of x is 1, power of y is 1. So degree of each variable is 1. So it is a standard form of linear equation in two variable where a, b and c all are belongs to real number. So real number means all numbers are real number. That is all rational and irrational numbers are real numbers. So here a, most important condition is a and b both are not equals to 0. म्हणजे इथे तुमची a आणि b ची व्हॅल्यू कधीही 0 नकोय. इथे व्हॅल्यू ऑफ c 0 झाली तरी चालेल, but a and b are not becomes 0. Okay, this is the standard form for linear equation in two variable. Now for quadratic equation contains equality sign, use only one variable, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Here x is the only one variable, maximum power of variable is 2. Here well maximum power of x is 2. So standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And most importantly a, b, c all are belongs to real number, and most importantly a is not equals to 0. If value of a becomes 0, then it is a linear equation. That's why a is not equals to 0. This is the difference between linear equation in two variable and quadratic equation. Now we are going to see the most important point of chapter, that is roots of quadratic equation. Now the next point is roots of quadratic equation. In the last year we had discussed about roots of quadratic equation, that is factor theorem, remainder theorem. Okay, then what is roots of quadratic equations? If value of the polynomial is 0, suppose if value of polynomial is 0 for x is equals to a, then x minus a is a factor of polynomial. म्हणजेच जर एखाद्या पॉलिनॉमियलची व्हॅल्यू ही जर 0 आली, कशासाठी? फॉर x इक्वल्स टू a, म्हणजे instead of x we put value as a, then the value of given polynomial is 0, then x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial. For example, if p of x is a polynomial and p of a is equals to 0. पाहत p of x is a polynomial म्हणजे पॉलिनॉमियल कुणाच्या फॉर्म मध्ये? पॉलिनॉमियल इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x, म्हणजे दिलेले पॉलिनॉमियल हा x च्या फॉर्म मध्ये, आणि त्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये वी आर पुटिंग x इज इक्वल्स टू a. ह्याचा मीनिंग काय? p of a is equals to 0. That means instead of x we put value as a and its value becomes 0, आणि त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळाली आपल्याला? 0. And p of a is equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x. म्हणजेच x minus a हा ह्या पॉलिनॉमियलचा फॅक्टर असतो. याचा अर्थ असा, फॉर एक्झाम्पल or put x equals to minus 6 in polynomial x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, आता ह्या जो गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल हा कोणाच्या फॉर्म मध्ये? पॉलिनॉमियल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x, because in the given polynomial x is the variable, so it is represented as polynomial in terms of x. आणि ह्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये x ची व्हॅल्यू काय पुट करायची आपल्याला? -6. After putting the value of x as a -6, if its value, that is value of polynomial is 0, then -6 is the factor of given polynomial, or it is called as the root of the given quadratic equation. Suppose x square plus 5x minus 6. आता आपल्याला x च्या ऐवजी व्हॅल्यू काय पुट करायची आहे? -6. So we get -6 whole square plus 5 into -6 minus 6. So square of -6 is 36, because we know that square of every negative number is always positive. So square of -6 is 36. 5 into -6 -30 -6. So here 36 minus 30 minus 6 minus 36. So we get value of given polynomial as a 0. म्हणजेच after putting x is equals to -6 in the given polynomial p of x, we get its value as a 0. याचा अर्थ असा x plus 6 is the factor of given polynomial, or -6 is one of the root of quadratic equation. म्हणजेच x ची व्हॅल्यू -6 पुट केल्यानंतर दिलेल्या पॉलिनॉमियलचं आन्सर हे काय आहे? आपल्याला आन्सर म्हणजे व्हॅल्यू काय आहे आपली? 0. and if its value is 0, then x is equals to 6 is a root of one of the root of a quadratic equation. Why we call it as a one of the root? Because we all know that for linear polynomial maximum root is 1. At most 1 zeros are there. At most 1 zeros are there. म्हणजेच लिनियर पॉलिनॉमियल साठी मॅक्झिमम रूट किंवा सोल्युशन किती असतात? 1. फॉर क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल आणि क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल साठी किती असतात? फॉर क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल ॲट मोस्ट 2 zeros आर देअर. 2 zeros इथं आपला आता एकच झिरो आलेला आहे. x इक्वल्स टू -6 पुट केल्यानंतर त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? 0. म्हणजे झिरोज किती आहेत? 1. That's why we call -6 is one of the root. But for quadratic polynomial at most 2 zeros are there. म्हणजे quadratic polynomial साठी maximum root किती असतात? 2. For linear polynomial साठी maximum root किती असतील? 1. and if polynomial is a cubic, then at most 3 zeros are there for cubic polynomial. म्हणजेच जशी जशी तुमची इंडेक्स वाढत जाईल तशी तशी तुमचे नंबर ऑफ झिरोज म्हणजे तसे तुमचे नंबर ऑफ रूट्स काय होतील? वाढत जातील. ॲट मोस्ट 3 zeros आर देअर. ओके, सो ह्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो? रूट ऑफ द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन असं म्हणतो. सो नाव पुट x इक्वल्स टू 2 for the same polynomial x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, so let's check whether the value of given polynomial is 0 or not. So here given expression or given polynomial is x square plus 5x minus 6 is equals to, now put x is equals to 2. So we get 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 6. So we get 2 square 4 plus 10 minus 6. So 14 minus 6. So here the value of given polynomial is 8, which is not equals to 0. That means x is equals to 2 is not root of the quadratic polynomial or equation. Okay, now we are clearly understand what is the meaning of root of quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. म्हणजे पॉलिनॉमियल साठी आपण काय सांगितले? स्पेसिफिक व्हॅल्यू कन्सिडर करतोय आणि आफ्टर पुटिंग दोज व्हॅल्यूज इन द गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल, म्हणजे पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये त्या व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्यानंतर जर त्यांची व्हॅल्यू 0 येत असेल, इफ इट्स व्हॅल्यू 0 देन इट इज अ फॅक्टर. तो त्यांचा काय असतो? अवयव. फॅक्टर म्हणजे काय? अवयव असतो. त्यालाच आपण रूट ऑफ द इक्वेशन किंवा सोल्युशन ऑफ द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन असं म्हणतो. हिअर आपण दिलेल्या पॉलिनॉमियल साठी म्हणजे फॉर x square plus 5x minus 6 साठी दोन व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्या. पहिली म्हणजे x इज इक्वल्स टू -6, x इक्वल्स टू -6 ही व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्यानंतर त्या पॉलिनॉमियलची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला काय मिळाली होती 0. That's why we are called it as a root of the quadratic equation, or it is also known as solution of quadratic equation. But for the same polynomial, if we are putting x is equals to 2, then its value is not equals to 0. म्हणजे त्याच पॉलिनॉमियल साठी आपण x ची व्हॅल्यू काय पुट केली आता 2, आणि आफ्टर पुटिंग इट्स व्हॅल्यू ॲज अ 2, then its value is not equals to 0. मग त्याची आपल्याला त्या पॉलिनॉमियलची व्हॅल्यू 0 मिळाली का नाही. दॅट means x is equals to 2 is not root of the quadratic equation. मग सिम्पली एक फार महत्वाची गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवायची, फॉर क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन नंबर ऑफ रूट्स किती मिळतील आपल्याला 2. फॉर क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन ॲट मोस्ट 2 रूट्स आर देअर, आणि लिनियर पॉलिनॉमियल साठी किती असतील ॲट मोस्ट 1 रूट और 1 सोल्युशन इज देअर. ओके, so this is what root of the quadratic equation. Let's take another example, then we are clearly understand what is roots of quadratic equation or solution of quadratic equation. Okay, so second example is for 2x square minus 7x plus 6. For 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. Put x equals to 3 by 2 and x equals to minus 2. For 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0, check whether x equals to 3 by 2 or x equals to minus 2 are root of the given quadratic इक्वेशन. और आता क्वेश्चन काय दिलाय तुम्हाला, एक क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन दिलंय 2x स्क्वेअर मायनस 7x प्लस 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 0, आणि ह्या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन साठी आपल्याला दोन व्हॅल्यू प्रोव्हाइड केल्यात, दॅट इज x इक्वल्स टू 3/2 आणि x इक्वल्स टू -2. आणि आता आपल्याला इथे हे चेक करायचंय, check whether x equals to 3 by 2 and x equals to -2 are root of the given quadratic equation or not. After putting x equals to 3/2 and x equals to -2, if their values are 0, म्हणजेच सपोज ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये तुम्ही जर x ची व्हॅल्यू 3/2 पुट केली आणि त्या इक्वेशनची व्हॅल्यू जर 0 आली, then it is a quadratic equation or root of the quadratic equation. And second one, if x equals to -2 ही व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्यानंतर जर ह्या इक्वेशनची व्हॅल्यू 0 आली और पॉलिनॉमियलची व्हॅल्यू 0 आली, then it is also a root of quadratic equation. But if its values are other than 0, जर तुम्ही x equals to 3/2 आणि x equals to -2 ह्या दोनही व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्यानंतर जर दिलेल्या पॉलिनॉमियलच्या व्हॅल्यू ह्या जर other than 0 आल्या, म्हणजे 0 सोडून दुसरी कोणतीही व्हॅल्यू आली, then it is not a root or solution of given quadratic equation. So check one by one. First one, put x is equals to 3/2 in polynomial, कारण आपल्याला चेक करायचंय त्याची व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे का नाही. दॅट्स वाय आपण इथे इन द पॉलिनॉमियल म्हणजे जरी इक्वेशन दिले तरी आपण काय घेतोय पॉलिनॉमियल, बिकॉज ह्या पॉलिनॉमियलची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला 0 येते का नाही हे चेक करायचे. सो इन द पॉलिनॉमियल twice x square minus 7x plus 6. Okay, therefore twice x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to, here the value of x as a 3/2, 3/2 whole square, 3x square, 3/2 whole square minus 7 in bracket 3/2 plus 6. Okay, so here 2 multiplied by square of 3/2, square of 3 is 9, square of 2 is 4, minus 7 into 3/2, that is 21/2 plus 6. So here 2 2s are 4, so we get 9/2 minus 21/2 plus 6. Okay, So here denominator of first two terms are equal, so subtract it. Subtraction करा काय मिळेल आन्सर 9/2 minus 21/2. So we get 12 minus 12/2 plus 6. So minus 12/2 is nothing but minus 6 plus 6. So we get the value of polynomial is 0. इथे तुम्हाला गिवन पॉलिनॉमियलची व्हॅल्यू किती मिळाली 0. व्हॅल्यू 0 आली ह्याचा अर्थ असा x is equals to 3/2 is the root of given quadratic equation, or simply it is known as solution of given quadratic equation. Therefore x is equals to 3/2 is a root of quadratic equation. Now check second value. Now put x equals to minus 2 in twice x square minus 7x plus 6. Therefore twice x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to, put value of x as a minus 2. So 2 in bracket minus 2 whole square minus 7 into minus 2 plus 6. So square of minus 2 is 4. So 2 4s are 8. Minus 7 into minus 2 plus 14. Minus minus get plus 6. So 8 plus 14 plus 6, that is nothing but 28. So here after putting x is equals to minus 2, we get value of polynomial as a 28, that is not equals to 0. म्हणजेच दिलेल्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये x ची व्हॅल्यू -2 पुट केल्यानंतर त्याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला 0 मिळते का नाही, दॅट इज अदर दॅन 0. So x equals to -2 is not a root of quadratic equation. Not a root of quadratic equation. That means simply what is root of quadratic equation? मग त्याला आपण कसं सांगू? The value for which satisfies the equation. The value which satisfies the equation. Satisfies the equation means what? म्हणजे equation contains two sides, left hand sides as well as right hand sides. So after putting a value for the given variable, if its value is equals to 0, then it is called as the root of quadratic equation, or the value for which both the sides of equation are equal. म्हणजे अशी व्हॅल्यू जी इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट केल्यानंतर त्या इक्वेशनच्या दोन्ही साइड्स काय होतील इक्वल. पहा आपण कोणते इक्वेशन कन्सिडर केलं होतं, ट्वाइस एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस 7x प्लस 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. त्यासाठी आपल्याला दोन व्हॅल्यू चेक करायचे आहेत, x इक्वल्स टू 3/2 आणि x इक्वल्स टू -2. मग आता पहिल्यांदा आपण x इक्वल्स टू x इक्वल्स टू 3/2 व्हॅल्यू पुट केली, पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये पुट केली, इक्वेशन मध्ये केली का नाही, म्हणजे आपण सध्या हे ठेवले की आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करायचंय की ह्याची व्हॅल्यू 0 आली पाहिजे. आफ्टर पुटिंग x इज इक्वल्स टू 3/2 द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनॉमियल इज 0. म्हणजे ह्याच्या लेफ्ट हँड साइड आणि राइट हँड साइड दोन्ही काय झाले मॅच. त्या पॉलिनॉमियलची व्हॅल्यू किती आली 0, ही ऑलरेडी 0. सो द व्हॅल्यू फॉर विच both the sides of equation are equal, then it is called as the root of equation or solution of quadratic equation. यालाच आपण root of the quadratic equation असेही म्हणतो. This is what all about roots of quadratic equation. म्हणजे the value which satisfies the equation, अशी व्हॅल्यू जी इक्वेशन ला सॅटिस्फाय करते, or the value for which both the sides of equations are equal are called as solution or root of the quadratic equation. ह्याला आपण root of, जर व्हॅल्यू 0 आली then it is a root of quadratic equation. व्हॅल्यू 0 नाही आली then it is not a root of given quadratic equation. साध्या भाषेत सांगायचं झालं, when it is a root of quadratic equation, जर त्या पॉलिनॉमियलची व्हॅल्यू 0 आली then it is a root of quadratic equation. If its value other than 0 असेल then it is not a root of quadratic equation. आणि आणखी एक महत्वाची गोष्ट सांगायची, फॉर द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मॅक्झिमम रूट्स आर 2. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन साठी मॅक्झिमम रूट किती असतील, फक्त 2. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट एक्झाम्पल इज इफ x is equals to 5 is a root of the quadratic equation, kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equals to 0, then find the value of k. So this type of examples are important for 2 marks. Okay, so see it properly. So the question is what? If x is equals to 5 is a root of the quadratic equation. Then already given condition काय दिली आपल्याला? X is equals to 5 is the root of quadratic equation. That means ह्याचा meaning काय होतो? After putting x is equals to 5 in the given polynomial, जर दिलेल्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये x ची किंमत 5 पुट केली, then its value is a 0. तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय येते? 0. Why? Because it is already given that हे आपल्याला given statement आहे, x is equals to 5 is the root of the quadratic equation, and when it is the root of the quadratic equation, when we are putting x is equals to 5, then its value is a 0. म्हणजे त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार आहे? 0. हे ऑलरेडी आपल्याला माहिती आहे. ओके, then find the value of x. Okay, so the given condition is x is equals to 5 is a root of quadratic इक्वेशन. त्याच्यासाठी आता आपण काय करणार आहोत? Therefore put x is equals to 5 in kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equals to 0. लास्ट टाइम आपण व्हॅल्यू पुट करताना फक्त पॉलिनॉमियल कन्सिडर केला होता, कारण आपल्याला तिथे माहित नव्हतं की ती व्हॅल्यू त्या पॉलिनॉमियल साठी रूट ऑफ द इक्वेशन आहे का नाही. बट हिअर it is a given x is equals to 5 is a root of the quadratic equation. That's why put x equals to 5 in equation. म्हणून आपण इक्वेशन मध्ये आता x ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करतोय, पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये करतोय का? लास्ट टाइम व्हॅल्यू पुट करताना आपण फक्त पॉलिनॉमियल कन्सिडर केलं होतं, आता आपण डायरेक्ट इक्वेशन कन्सिडर केलं का? आपल्याला आधीच माहिती आहे x is equals to 5 is a root of the quadratic equation, and after putting x is equals to 5, then we get value of a k. Therefore k in bracket 5 whole square, कारण आता x ची व्हॅल्यू काय पुट करायची आपल्याला? 5. So k in bracket 5 whole square minus 14 into 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. So the square of 5 is 25, so we get 25 k minus 14 5s are 70 minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, so 25k minus 70 minus 5 minus 75 is equals to 0. Now we have to find the value of k. That's why this minus 75 goes to the opposite side and its sign changes. Then we get 25k is equals to 75. Now we have to find the value of k. For that, k 25 is multiple with k, so goes to the divide. So we get 75 divided by 25, so we get value of k as 3, that is 25 3s are 75, so we get value of k as a 3. Value of k is 3. So this type of examples are important for 2 marks. Now for the first exercise, म्हणजे फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज साठी जे काही लागणार मटेरियल ते सगळं ऑलरेडी मी प्रोव्हाइड केलेले. नाउ वेअर ऑल ऑफ यू आर लायबल आर एबल टू प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1. सो ऍटलीस्ट प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1 साठी तुम्ही ट्राय करा, जेवढे एक्झाम्पल जमतील तेवढे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करा. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू सी और सॉल्व प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1. Still most important thing is stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.